I forgot. Knowing my luck, I ain't got nothing ready right now at the moment. I'll have to think about that later. But anyways, as y'all see behind me, I got tent 1 open, but the lights is off. Shouts out to the lights being off. I'm gonna have to get this back on this regular schedule. Regular schedule. Because y'all know me, I'm getting ready to put some of these auto flowers in here. I just got to make sure which ones I'm going to put in here so that way I can go ahead and leave them alone. Since they auto flowers, I ain't got to worry about them flowering because they're on a 12-hour shift. They're just going to flower whenever they're ready to go anyway, so it don't matter what light cycle you have them on because they just going to do what they do, right? Come on now, somebody tell me I'm right. Well, no, Popcorn, you're actually wrong. If you put new seedlings in a 12-hour light cycle, they're going to automatically kick into flower. Well, they're auto flowers anyways, mother lover. As soon as they get big enough, they going to kick into flower. Somebody tell me I'm wrong in the comments. Don't worry, I'll wait. Yeah, shout out to the people on YouTube, though. There's a lot of naysayers. They be like, that sounds good, Popcorn, but I'm going to argue with you just to be arguing. And you know how I am. I'll be like, they trolling. I ain't even gonna comment to that. Shouts out to the trolls. If y'all don't know how to handle trolls, y'all know to go hit the Buy Me a Coffee and download that freebie, How to Handle Trolls. Your boy done already gave you an award-winning strategy on dealing with trolls. You just let them shut the fuck up and keep doing what they doing. Because for those who know, the trolls are a sign that you're doing something and they're not. Which is why they're mad and you're not. Oh, I'd be mad if I sat there and watched my whole video too, and then you realize what I'm doing. Shouts out to that big homie. Uh-oh, look at him. He over here on his zine page today. What you doing, huh? You trying to keep up with that key organic sponsorship? You got some garden content on the way, bruh? You know we appreciate seeing you in the garden. Shouts out to that big homie DJ is, because either he in the garden or he on some beats. One of the two. I already know how he do. He be like, man, I just be sitting in the garden, smoking, making these beats, nigga. Been kicking them out. Shouts out to the Beat Nation, because you know how that go. Shouts out to the flower tent, because I already know y'all talking about, well, let's go ahead and see what he talking about, though. What is he talking about? This is the green light special in here. We got us a green flag. Shouts out to the green clovers. You know, we got that Chris Calico. Shouts out to the spider K. Yeah, we got them spider Ks in there. Y'all already know how we rock. Then we got that one. It's red and white over there with the nines for Tekanina. Y'all know how we do. Oh, well, shit, I appreciate that. You know, I do the same thing. I be on multiple accounts, but if I see one of the homies live, you know we gonna stop by and say what's crack-a-lacking, no matter if we was trying to be under bucket status on on one of my other accounts. Looks like I got a few leaves in here I need to sweep up. Oh, shit, where's my bucket at? Oh, it's right there, so I'll just throw them in there. Yeah, no. Keep it clean in this piece, since it looks like it's immaculate at the moment. I had just cut down my last plant that I had in here because, like I said, I'm gonna be throwing these auto flowers in. It's in the green room and started in there, right? Well, technically, I use the green color light because that's my favorite color. But as far as the light spectrum for plants, green sometimes is considered as not really affected that much, depending on how high the wattage is on the lights. Meaning, I could have that light on, and the light source shouldn't leak too much and affect my plants from, you know, with its current cycle. Like if the light was off and I had the tent open, the green light shouldn't really affect it. Oh, speaking of the double, and he gonna show up. Shout out to Triple B coming through. You know, we just came in this green room. I know y'all tired of watching review videos all the goddamn time, like Popcorn. Go ahead, give us some of that original content. Let's go in the green room, smoke some blunts, and talk some shit. Well, we gonna do that at first, but you know, after I get done with what I gotta do, I'm gonna watch some videos anyway. So you know, it's best we watch them together. You know.